Hello guys, what is going on? Good old MSP here, and today I am here to talk about the one, the only, myself. I haven't been on for a while because I broke my iPhone charger. My man straight up broken iPhone charger. And I've been eating some fucking wagon wheels. But it doesn't matter. I'm back now. So we can use this MSP chip to sincerely cause some damage. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And my guy Brandon Bonner, he's a bit clapped. Honestly, I don't know what I would do without him. He's a bit clapped. Right, I have nothing left, right. So I just ate a wagon wheel packet and it's going down my throat and it really hurts. This is my treadmill. I do exercise and I don't, but I do. Why is it off? Okay, it's staying off. Flip's sake, mate. I'm trying to make a decent video and it's just not allowing me. Okay. Let me start over. I don't want to make this video. I'm gonna be honest. So basically, my guy, DA Brandon, is now called BBB, or as I like to call him, the Triple B. With this information, I have also came to the conclusion that he will die in 5 years. It's pretty epic. Now, me knowing this information is very sincere, and I apologise for my lack of continuous uploading. But my recycling bin is empty, so I can now upload again. I have a shit camera, shit audio, shit life. I'm no longer a nonce, and your dad is a paedophile. I am now clear from all of my sins. Except for one. This sin is very, very, very bad, and if anyone at school was to find this, I might get annihilated. So, I will tell you exactly what's happening. Hopefully you catched all that, because my audio is epic. Now, I realised that I should be more PG friendly, so have a fidget spinner. Oh my god, that was epic! So I will no longer swear in my videos, because that is just flippin' disrespectful, and I should really be a family-friendly channel. Also, I might start doing some more gameplay on Insane Survivor, so make sure you check out on that. Anyways, back to my guy, BBB. So he basically got chlamydia, and chlamydia is really bad. I'm joking. He doesn't have chlamydia. I forgot what he has, but don't worry about it, Chief. I will inform you when I get to know. But until then, you want to keep up with the latest of D.A. Brandon. So let me inform you. D.A. Brandon is actually a psychic mind kick and a sidekick. Not a sidekick, a sidekick. And he's actually a member of ISIS. Now this is really bad. Also, I got a message for 2 individuals. The joke where I said Brandon and Joe Witt are in a gay relationship, and the fact that you are flipping milking it to the point where it's no longer funny anymore is really disrespectful. If I find out you keep continuously doing this, I will send you a Logan Paul video and I'll have to throw a printer at your forehead. And my forehead's pretty big, and your forehead's also pretty big, but not as big as KSI's. That's a different topic entirely that I'll get to in another video. However, now that's over and done with, the 2 people that I mentioned, please do not actually, wait, I didn't even mention them. Please stop saying that Brandon's in a gay relationship with Joe Witt. 1, because Joe probably doesn't even know that you're saying this. Like, how irrelevant do you have to be to say it to Brandon but not to Joe? Like, whoa. Anywho, yeah. So what news do I have? I'll be uploading more recently, and I'm very sorry for my lack of continuous uploads. Brandon's gonna die in 5 years. Someone milks a joke to the point where it's not even funny anymore. I'm no longer a nonce, and I've already told you that I'm cured for all my sins apart from 1. Your dad is actually a nice person. This computer has an app called Leave Alone, which means just leave it alone. And Google is actually a good company who supports every single creator on this site. Now, if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm thinking of doing a Q&A because of how irrelevant I am. So I'll be doing a Q&A on Thursday. Q&A Thursday. Wow, so original. Hopefully, I'll upload tomorrow saying put stuff in the comments section below, and then you can put stuff in the comments section below. If, without further ado, I will now end this video by saying 2 things. 1, the 2 people that I mentioned isn't actually 2 people, I made that up. It's only 1. And there's 1 person I done a burning down video on, and he really stopped shouting, so it was really successful. If you haven't catched on by now, I'm talking about Adam Dybel, the person that done an ice bucket challenge, and Shaheen didn't even know that exists. Which means, in theory, I am better than Shaheen in every way, shape and form, as I've already discussed in another video. Now, Adam Dybel milks this joke to the point where it's not even funny. So, please, Adam, stop. I know you're watching because one of your men will probably watch. And when I mean one of your men, I mean you're the bitch of all another bitch. That's not a swear word, I checked on Google. And if Google says it's a swear word, then I apologise, but I searched it up and it said it's not a swear word. So yeah, Adam, you don't own nothing. The only thing you struggle to own is a pen. Oh, and a SIM card. But we forget about that. Anyways. D.A. Brandon is a lovely person, and if anyone wants to fight him, good luck. Yeah, that's about it. That's all the news I've got today, kids. If you want another episode of Virgin Media, please leave a like in the comment section below and subscribe to and turn on that bell so then you can instantly get a boner when you touch your bell end. I've also searched up that bell end's not a swear word, so yeah, have fun. My cat's a nonce, you're a nonce. If you're watching me and masturbating, or you're watching me and your right hand is on your dick, please remove yourself. You're a nonce and you probably watch, so please resist, refist. Remember, if a gal doesn't want the tea, you don't have to force her to have the tea. Only intellectual people know what I mean. Now, good day, good day. Oh, fuck. Ow, my leg. Why did I fall on the floor? This isn't negotiable. No.